Everyone has done a great job keeping COVID-19 out of our communities. One of the best ways to make sure we keep staying safe and easing restrictions in our daily lives is to get tested for COVID. Anytime you feel unwell, even with mild symptoms, you should get tested immediately. Even if you've been tested before, anytime you have symptoms again, you should get tested again. The symptoms of COVID can seem like a cold or the flu, but you won't know unless you get tested. COVID symptoms to watch out for are a fever, cough, sore or scratchy throat, shortness of breath, runny nose, or loss of smell or taste. Even if you only have one symptom, you should get tested. There are testing clinics all over New South Wales. To find your closest clinic, go to nsw.gov.au or call your doctor or Aboriginal Medical Service. Some testing clinics are also open on weekends, so you don't have to wait to get tested. You don't need to do anything to prepare for your test. On your way to get your COVID test, it's a good idea to wear a mask to protect yourself and others around you. But if you don't have a mask handy, that's okay. You should still go get tested. When you arrive at the testing location, staff will ask about your symptoms and your health. This is to protect you and other visitors, and also to make sure you are directed to the right place for care. When you enter the testing clinic, you may see that staff are wearing protective clothing and equipment. Staff are taking great care to make sure that you and other visitors are safe when you go for your COVID tests. To help keep everyone safe, you'll be asked to wear a mask and to keep a safe distance from others of at least 2 big steps. Getting a test is free, quick, and easy. Clinic staff will take a sample from inside your nose and or your throat using a cotton tip swab. People often worry how awkward it feels. It's surprisingly okay, and I'm pleased to show you how easy it is by showing you inside your nose. You can see here where the swab goes and the area which we sample. It is quick, simple, and safe. During your test visit, don't be afraid to ask if you need help with isolating in a busy house, if you need supplies of food or medication, or if you are a carer for someone. It's okay to ask for whatever you need to isolate safely whilst you wait for your result. After your test, it's important you go straight home and don't stop anywhere on your way. Stay isolated from others until you get your result, even if at home. If you share your home with others, you should separate from them as much as you can. Wear a mask when you're in the same room as another person and keep at least 2 big steps apart. While you wait for a result, you can't have visitors and you can't leave home unless you need medical care or it's an emergency. We've improved our lab testing, and most people in New South Wales receive their results within 24 hours. If your result is negative, you'll get a text message to let you know. If your result is positive, you'll get a phone call from your local public health unit. It may show up as an unknown call on your phone, so you should answer any unknown calls until you have your result. The health unit will ask you some questions about your recent movements and close contacts. The health unit won't share your answers with police or anyone else. It will be kept confidential and only used for health reasons. Your cooperation at this point is really important to help keep our mob safe. Remember, getting tested for COVID-19 as soon as you feel even mildly unwell is the best way to keep COVID-19 out of our communities. Testing is simple, quick and free, and it shouldn't hurt. Any personal information you provide will be kept confidential. Don't delay. Get tested right away to keep our mob safe.